Hey, it's Cree. I'm currently taking a walk as I am on a health and fitness journey. And let's just say, this is not for the weak. You have to put in the work. You have to be disciplined. But I know if I continue to be consistent, the hard work will soon pay off. So I've currently finished my walk, and on today I did 3.29 miles. So I feel like I'm off to a great start, being that I did 3.29 miles, but I still have a long way to go. So I'll continue to discipline myself and looking forward to great results on this fitness journey.